we've had some severe storms come through the Atlanta area, and a tree falls on the roof. Now, the tree fell on the roof of this house before Dan was even appointed executor in Martha's estate. The tree on the house is what sort of spurred him to get involved and go, what are you, Mom and Aunt Dee Dee, what are you doing about that house? Because it's just sitting out there. And because they called him, and neighbors got in touch with the family, he goes over there, gets the tree off the house, gets a tarp on the roof, but he doesn't actually have any authority to do that. He's out on his own, spending his own money to do this. Insurance coverage is always in question when a house becomes vacant and when the owner has passed away. He doesn't know what George and Martha did as far as insurance. He doesn't know what Dee Dee, as executor for Martha's estate, has done. So he's got to get that insurance situation sort of squared away. He doesn't actually have any authority because he doesn't yet have letters testamentary in Martha's estate or in George's, because remember, that house is still half in George's estate. So he's not really on legal footing to get anything done, and he does the best he can, but it's money out of his pocket, and some understanding insurance folks getting some coverage on that thing. And he finally repairs the roof out of his own pocket so that environmental damage doesn't continue to happen to the house, so it doesn't continue to rain in there. All this is going on while he's wrestling with judges that okay to do publication. Well, Huey, Dewey, won't respond to me. Well, you need to do better. You need to try the X, Y, and Z before I'll agree to publication. And this is all what slows the process down, because you can look at it on paper and say, this is what the family tree is, and this is how things should go. But in real life, you can't do any of those things until the court process has worked and the judge has signed off on it. And that's where this process slows down into weeks and months and years.